Hey kindergartners, it's Miss Mizia and I'm back today with some more number bond practice. So, I have your job for today. We are working with number bonds just like last week, but we're going to go up to 10 today. Okay, so that means that your whole is going to be 10. And we're going to find different parts that make 10. Now, your job for your assignment today is to make a number bond, and there's a couple of different ways that you could do that. Some of you might not have paper at home to draw a number bond, and that's okay. I wouldn't if I didn't get some from school. So I'm going to show you. If you don't have paper at home to draw one, that's okay. You could get plates and make your number bond with plates, or if you do have a number bond at home, or paper at home, you could draw a number bond. There's lots of different ways that you could do this, even if you don't have paper. So your job today is to find 10 objects, which you did in your warm-up. Remember? Your warm-up was to find 10 objects and then count them. So you had to count them from 1, and then you had to find 10 more objects and count them back from 10. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So Miss Mizia has 10 objects. I found 10 cubes. Maybe you didn't. Maybe you found 10 Cheez-Its. Maybe you found 10 goldfish. Maybe you found 10 Matchbox cars or 10 blocks. Whatever you have at home is totally fine. And then you are going to play around with your whole of 10. So I'm going to show you an example of what I mean. Now I'm going to remind you that when it comes to your number bond, the whole bubble is the one that has 2 legs touching it. Okay, see how this bubble has 1 leg here and 1 leg here? But this bubble only has 1 leg, and this bubble only has 1 leg. So the whole has 2 legs. It's going to be the biggest number, and then your parts have 1 leg, and they'll be smaller. Now, number bonds, remember last week we said it doesn't even matter what way you face them. So today I'm going to turn my number bond, and I'm going to make you think a little bit about this. Did my whole bubble change? No, it's still right here. It still has the 2 legs touching it, and my part bubble still have 1 leg touching that. Do you see? So it doesn't matter. It could even be on the bottom if you wanted to put the whole bubble on the bottom, or you could flip it and turn it the other way. It doesn't matter which side your whole bubble is on. It's always going to be the one that has 2 legs touching it. So your job today is you were supposed to find 10 objects in your house. I'm sure you can hear my dog drinking her water right now on the video. She's very thirsty. So your job was to have 10 objects. And we're going to count them just to make sure that I do have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 objects. That is your whole, your big number. Now, our job is to play around to see if we can find different parts. So I'm going to just play around, and I'm going to move 1 into this part, and then I'm going to move the rest into my other part. Now, if my whole is 10, am I allowed to just get rid of blocks or of objects? Can I just push any off to the side and say, no, I'm not going to use those? No, I can't. I have to use all of the blocks because my whole is 10. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 1 part, 9. And how many are in my other part? 1, right? So 9 and 1 equal, how many blocks did I have? 10, right? 9 and 1 is a hidden pair of 10, and you're just using a number bond to find those hidden pairs this time. So I gave you one example of how to find a hidden pair in the number 10. Your job is to find some more examples. Maybe you want to write them down. Maybe you're going to use air writing and write the numbers in the air. Whatever works, okay? Good luck and have fun.